All right. If anybody's wondering what winter in San Diego looks like, this is kind of what it looks like. Bunch of kids playing in the water, at the beach, just going on a little walk. Went on a little longer walk than normal today because it's just so freaking beautiful. In the markets, man, the markets are crushing right now. They're doing really, really well. And, we in the first week of December, we put out a call publicly in a webinar that we were expecting $36,000 Bitcoin by the end of January. And sure enough, we got it. So we were looking at the flow in the options market, actually, and saw that, there was a big out-of-the-money call buyer essentially trying to pin price at $36,000, and it had the most open interest on it. And now a lot of those positions have been unwound since we hit $36,000. Now we're seeing some similar activity at $52,000 in regards to open interest. So that's a number that I've got my little eye on here. So anyhow, we're seeing a really strong bounce across the board in BTC as well as a lot of the altcoins. And in fact, the altcoins have had a much more tremendous bounce and recovery than BTC did. So that's something to take note of, that kind of the ratios between altcoin and Bitcoin is showing that the altcoins are looking a little stronger right now. So we're in a really, really good market environment. Our model portfolio has been absolutely on fire. A lot of the key positions that we have just been rocking and rolling. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel or if you guys don't have access to the model portfolio, go ahead and click the button. Hit the link. You guys will get access to it. It's got a ton of really fundamentally strong altcoins that we're expecting to just have a tremendous 2021. Other than that, the market has just been very strong and trending, right? We saw BTC hit as high as $42,500 before coming down about 20% to right around $30,000. And that was a really big flush out. And kind of what that flush out was a deleveraging. It was a pretty strong, systematic deleveraging across the board, where a lot of late longs got liquidated. And kind of how we saw that, we saw liquidations actually, at an all-time high. There was billions and billions of dollars of leverage that was wiped out from the market. So we were looking at how that was kind of affecting the market. And then beyond that, we actually saw all-time highs in volume on both Coinbase and Binance. They both reported over $9 billion of daily volume on this past week on I think it was on Monday. So that really big high volume bounce was something that kind of has supported this new price floor that we're seeing of around $30,000. So long story short, everything's going really well in the markets. And if you guys aren't really paying attention or tuned in, now is the time. Now is the time where you really, really, really need to pay attention, because as we're seeing, things are popping like popcorn right now. Some of these, altcoins that are in our model portfolio, right? Like yesterday had like a 30% pop overnight. So we're having a lot of fun. And if you guys aren't joining with us yet, you guys are missing out. So click that link. That's your market update. Hope you guys are having a good one, and we'll talk to you soon.